Jai Shri Radhe. Today, dear viewers, I am going to sing the Radha Ras Sudha Nidhi for all of you, along with the meanings. First of all, I will sing the slokas, then I will sing the translation, the meaning, so that you can easily understand what does that important sloka means. First, we will pray Sri Hit Harivansh Swamiji Gurudev, then we will start it. So, let's start. Acharya Vandana. नमो नमो जय श्री हरिवंश रसिक अनन्य वेणुकुलमण्डन लीलामान सरोवर हंस नमो जयति श्री वृंदावन सहज माधुरी रास विलास प्रशंस आगम निगम आगोचर राधे चरण सरोज व्यास अवतंश ओम श्री राधा वल्लभो जयति श्री राधा सुधानिधि स्तोत्रम श्री हित हरिवंश वंदना राधे वैष्णव संप्रदायिक कर्ता आचार्यो राधा मंत्रद सद्गुरुश्च मंत्रो राधा यस्य सर्वात्मनैवं वंदे राधा पाद पद्म प्रधानम. Let's start from the slokas of Sri Radha Ras Sudhanidhi. यस्या कदापि वसनांचल खेलनोथ धन्यातिधन्या पवनेन कृतार्थमानि योगीन्द्रदुर्गमगतिर्मधुसूदनो यपि तस्या नमोस्तु वृषभानुभुवो दिशेऽपि. This sloka means obeisances to the direction that faces Sri Vrishabhanu's daughter. When the breeze coming from that direction playfully moves the edge of his garment, Lord Krishna, who cannot be attained by even the kings of the yogis, thinks that his life has now become a great success. That means when the breeze which is coming from the direction of Sri Vrishabhanu's daughter, Sri Radharani, the direction from that wind coming from the direction of touching Sri Radharani and it touches Lord Krishna's garments, then Lord Krishna thinks, I am so blessed and my life has now become success. When every yogi is trying to attain Lord Krishna by a lot of deliverance, a lot of practices, meditation, devotional practices, that Lord Krishna, who is the ultimate God, the Supreme Personality, he is thinking that the breeze that is touching my garments, which is coming from Sri Vrishabhanu's daughter, that is Sri Radharani, and touching my garments, now I am feeling that my life has become a success. That means how much Lord Krishna is adoring Srimati Radharani is clear from this sloka. The next sloka says, ब्रह्मेश्वरादि सुदुरूह पदारविन्द श्रीमत्पराग परमाद्भुत वैभवायाः सर्वार्थसार रसवर्षी कृपादृष्टि तस्या नमोस्तु वृषभानुभुवो महिम्ने. This sloka means obeisances to the glory of Shri Vrishabhanu daughter. Even Brahma, Shiva and all the demigods cannot attain the pollen of a lotus feet. Her merciful glance showers the best of all nectars. So basically it tells that it is very difficult to attain the Lord Vrishabhanu's daughter Sri Radharani's grace. Even the demigods who is so powerful like Lord Brahma, Shiva and other demigods are not able to attain the dust, the smallest dust of 1% of the infinite dust particles of a lotus feet. So what to talk of we as human beings, mere human beings who is full of materialistic desires, full of vasanas, full of negative thoughts and karmas. So her merciful glance shows the best of all nectars. So let's pray to that Srimati Radharani to grace us. The third sloka of Sri Radha Sudhanidhi, Sri Hit Radha Sudhanidhi is, यो ब्रह्म रुद्र सुख नारद भीष्म मुख्ये रालक्षितो न सहसा पुरुषस्य तस्य सद्यो वशीकरणचूर्णमनन्तः शक्तिं तं राधिकाचरणरेणु मनुस्मरामि. This means I meditate on the dust of Sri Radha's feet, dust that even Brahma, Siva, Sukadeva, Narada, Bhisma, and a host of great saints cannot see, dust that has limitless power, dust that at once transforms the Supreme Personality of Godhood into Sri Radha's submissive servant. The fourth sloka of Sri Hit Radha Sudhanidhi. आधाय मूर्धनि यदा पुरुदारगोप्यः काम्यं पदं प्रिय गुणैरपि पिच्छमूले भावोस्तवेन भजतां रसकामधेनु तं राधिकाचरणरेणुमहं स्मरामि. This sloka means I meditate on the dust of Sri Radha's feet, dust that becomes a Kamadhenu cow to give the nectar of rasa as the devotees celebrate a festival of spiritual love. Placing the dust on their heads, the beautiful gopis attain something even peacock feather crown Krishna yearns to attain. The fifth sloka of Sri Hit Radha Sudhanidhi. दिव्य प्रमोद रससार निजांग संग पीयूष वीची निचयेर भीसेचयन्ती कंदर्प कोटि सर मूर्छित नंद सूनु संजीवनी जयति कापी निकुंज देवी. This means glory to the forest goddesses. When wounded by millions of Kamadhenus arrows, Nanda's son fell. She brought him to life by splashing him with many waves of the blissful nectar of her touch. The sixth and seventh sloka of Sri Radha Sudhanidhi. Tanna pratikshana chamakrut charu leela lavanya mohana mahamadhuranga bhangi radhananang hi madhuranga kala nidhana mavir bhavishyati kada rasa sindhu saram. This means, when will the sweet and graceful nectar ocean that is Sri Radha's face, an ocean filled at every moment with waves, sweetness, charm, beauty, and wonderfully beautiful pastime, appear before us? Then the next seventh sloka is Yat kinkarisiyu bahusa khalu kakubani nityang parasya purusasya sikhanda mole तस्या कदा रसनिधे वृषभानुजायास्तत्केली कुंज भावनांगण marjanisyam. This means, when will I become a sweeper in the forest courtyard, where, surrounded by many maid servants, the peacock feather crowned Supreme Personality of Godhood, Sri Krishna, speaks his appeal to the nectar ocean, that is Sri Radha. Now next go to the 8th sloka of Sri Hit Radha Sudhanidhi. Vrindani sarva mahatamapahaya durad vrindaatavi manusara pranayena chetaha sattarani kruta subhava sudhara sogham radha vidhanamiha divya nidhanamasti. This means, O my heart, please turn from great things of this world and run to Vrindavana, where the great treasure, the nectar flood that delivers the devotees from this world, is Sri Radha's name. Let's read the 9th sloka. Kenapi nagaravareena padenipatya samprarthitaika parirambharasotsavayah Sabhruvibhangamadiranganidhe kadate Shri Radhike nahi nahite giraha shrunomi. This means, O Shri Radha, O great treasure of bliss, when as the best of lovers falls at your feet and begs for the nectar festival of a single embrace Will I see you knit your eyebrows and hear you say no, no? Then the next 10th sloka is Yatpada Padma Nakha Chandramani Chatayaha Vispurjitam Kimapi Gopa Vadhusvadarsi Purnanuraga Rasasagara Saramurtihi Saradhika Mai Kadapi Krupam Karoti. This means, may Sri Radha, who is the personified nectar ocean of perfect spiritual love and the splendor of whose Chandrakanta jewel toils glistens among the gopis, be merciful to me.